Hi everyone and welcome to another session with Accelerate. So today on Excel with Accelerate, we're going to be talking about how to use the mid function to extract text strings from a text. Okay, so if you've been following our videos, you've seen how we used the left and right functions to extract text strings from text. Okay, we extracted characters of a particular number. Okay, so depending on what we want to extract, for some we use 10, for some we use 5, some we use 6 rather. Okay, so mid is a bit different. So I will be writing the mid function for you so that you see the arguments that mid brings to the table. So coming to cell D6, where mid, you see it here, say returns characters from the middle of a text string giving a starting point and length. Okay, exactly. So now it says, what text do you want to start from the middle to count, or to pick from rather? Would use here. Okay, and we'll say, what number do you want to start from? So whatever number you decide to start from, Excel will start from that particular number. So let's do it this way. Okay, over is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's say we'll start from 10. So 10 says start from character 10. And after character 10, I want you to give me a particular number of characters. Okay, so let's say I want to pick let's use another 10 characters after character 10, or from character 10, sorry. You see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is H. So it starts from character 10 being H to, and it picks the remaining 10 digits. Remember, I was told it to pick 10 characters afterwards. Sorry, I said digits. Okay, so if we want to confirm if this picked 10 characters, this is 1 2 3 4. So hill is 4 characters, 2 and th are 4 characters as well. That's 8. The spaces in between are 2 characters, so that's 10. Okay, and that's how mid works. So you need to instruct mid to start from a particular character, which is your start number. Then you tell it how many characters from the 10th character, or from whatever character you want to start from, does it pick. Let's make this make better sense. Okay, so let's come to this one. I'm gonna say, hey mid, get us from Metropolis. We want to start from letter P. Okay, realize the letter P is the 6th letter, sixth character in that text field. Okay, how many characters do I want to pick from P? Okay, let's say I want to pick 5, so it gives me police. I will write 5, then close my bracket, and it gives me police. Okay, now mid doesn't have to exactly start from the middle of the character. Okay, you can actually use mid to get what your left and what your right can give you. If you want to try, let's see. equal to mid. Let's get the let's say the bro. Let's get the bro from cell B8. Okay, mid. This is what we want to get characters from. Okay, start number, we're starting from number 1. The number of characters we want will be 7 because THE BRO are 6, then space in between. Then we close our bracket and it gives us the bro. So left and right are easier to use. However, if you want to, do like what I just did now, having my start number from 1. Okay, it's way easier to use left or right, to get that done. All right. So let's come to Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. All right. So what we want to get from Snow White and the 7 dwarfs is the 7. All right. So say mid. This is the text. Now the question is, where do we start from to get the 7 from this particular text string? Remember, snow is 4, white is 5, the space in between is 1, so that's 10. Excuse me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So from 16, I want to start from 16, and I want to get how many characters? I want to get 7 is a 5-letter word. So let's say I want to get 9 characters, and it gives us the 7. Okay, same thing with with the color. You can say equal to made. All I want to get from cell C6 is the and there, just and. That's all I want to get. So I say black and white. My start number, I want it to start from 7 because black is a 5-letter word. The space is 6, and starts from the 7th position. A is the 7th character in here, so I do a 7, and I only want to pick 3 characters from that particular cell. Put 3, then close my bracket, and I have and. So if I want to do this all the way, I bring it all the way down here. But I can't bring this down to this particular cell because it's going to give me issues. I mean, because first things first, color is a 5-letter word, and this already says that it should start from character number 7. Okay, so if we bring it down here, we'll get an error. See, it's blank. But if we bring it down here, you see that this gives you and this gives you blank spaces because it doesn't exist. Okay, click in here, you see you see the formula bar, that it actually exists, right? However, it cannot work because color is a 5-letter word. Okay, so let's get a few more from here. So let's see if we can we drag this down here? See, it gives us what our left would have given us. All right, so I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two from this. Please put your questions and your comments below this video. Please like, comment, and share this video. subscribe as well. The subscribe button is just below this video. Follow us on all our social media platforms, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. We're on every single platform you can think about. Okay. Do well to join us, our Telegram group as well, where we share insights on how to be better Excel users and how to be more efficient and proficient with the Microsoft Excel tool. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.